Welcome to Madrid. Madrid, a city where history whispers through grand palaces, art flourishes in timeless museums, and life moves to the rhythm of laughter-filled cafes and vibrant plazas. Nestled in the heart of Spain, Madrid is a place where the past and present exist in perfect harmony. Today, let's take a slow and relaxing journey through this enchanting capital. Madrid's story begins in the 9th century, when it was a small Moorish fortress strategically placed along the Manzanares River. The city's name comes from the Arabic word Madrid, meaning place of abundant water. It wasn't until 1561 that Madrid became Spain's capital, chosen by King Philip II for its central location. From that moment, Madrid flourished. Royal palaces, grand boulevards, and magnificent squares were built, transforming it into a city of culture, power, and prestige. During the Spanish Golden Age, Madrid became the heart of literature and art, inspiring legends like Cervantes, the author of Don Quixote. Later, it survived wars and revolutions, only to emerge stronger, becoming the dynamic metropolis we see today. And yet, beneath its modern energy, Madrid holds on to its traditions. In its historic cafes, in the echoing footsteps along its cobbled streets, and the vibrant passion of its people. Madrid is a city that feels alive, yet peaceful. By day, sunlight dances on its terracotta rooftops. By night, its streets glow under golden lamplights. It's a city meant to be explored slowly. Now, let's explore Madrid's top 10 must-visit places, each offering a window into the soul of this unforgettable city. The Royal Palace, the crown jewel of Madrid. Our journey begins at the Royal Palace of Madrid, a symbol of Spain's royal heritage. Built in the 18th century, this grand palace is the largest in Western Europe, boasting over 3,400 rooms. Inside, gilded chandeliers hang from frescoed ceilings, while rooms gleam with exquisite tapestries and velvet-covered thrones. One of its treasures is the Royal Armory, displaying medieval weapons once held by Spanish kings. Though the royal family no longer resides here, the palace remains a living museum, capturing centuries of Spanish grandeur. Catedral de la Almudena, Madrid's spiritual heart. Standing proudly beside the royal palace, the Catedral de Santa Maria la Real de la Almudena is Madrid's most important place of worship. Unlike Spain's medieval cathedrals, Almudena's construction began in the late 19th century and took over 100 years to complete, blending neoclassical, neo-Gothic, and neo-Romanesque styles. Plaza Mayor, the beating heart of Old Madrid. A short walk from the palace leads us to Plaza Mayor, the city's historic main square. Once the stage for royal ceremonies, bullfights, and even the Spanish Inquisition, today it is a peaceful gathering place. Its stunning red brick buildings enclose a lively space where locals sip sangria, artists paint portraits, and the sound of distant guitar melodies fills the air. Sit on a terrace, order a plate of jamon iberico, and watch the world go by. This is the essence of Madrid. Puerta del Sol, the center of Spain. Welcome to Puerta del Sol, the very heart of Madrid and the symbolic center of Spain. This plaza is home to the country's kilometer zero marker, from which all Spanish roads are measured. Every New Year's Eve, crowds gather here, following the tradition of eating 12 grapes at the stroke of midnight. A ritual said to bring good luck. Look around, and you'll see the iconic statue of the bear and the strawberry tree, the emblem of Madrid, representing its deep connection with nature and tradition. Retiro Park, Madrid's green oasis. Escape the city's energy and find tranquility at Retiro Park, a lush sanctuary in the heart of Madrid. Stroll through its tree-lined pathways, admire the shimmering Crystal Palace, and watch artists sketch under the shade of century-old trees. The park's central lake offers rowboats for a peaceful ride, as turtles and ducks swim alongside. At sunset, the park glows in golden hues, a perfect place to pause and reflect on Madrid's beauty. Puerta de Alcala, Madrid's Grand Archway. As you stroll toward Retiro Park, you'll pass one of Madrid's most majestic landmarks, the Puerta de Alcala. Built in 1778 by order of King Carlos III, this grand archway was Madrid's first triumphal gate, standing at what was once the city's eastern entrance. Its name, Alcala Gate, comes from the old road leading to Alcala de Henares, the birthplace of Cervantes. Today, it's a favorite spot for photographers and a symbol of Madrid's timeless beauty. Paseo de la Castellana, Madrid's Grand Boulevard. If Madrid had a backbone, it would be Paseo de la Castellana, stretching over 6 kilometers from Plaza de Colón in the city center to the modern Cuatro Torres business area. This grand boulevard tells the story of Madrid's evolution, blending history, culture, and modernity in a single, elegant sweep. Originally part of an old cattle route, it's a place where tradition meets innovation. Mercado de San Miguel, a food lover's paradise. Madrid's soul is best tasted in its food, and Mercado de San Miguel is a feast for the senses. Wander through its lively stalls, sampling delicacies like patatas bravas, fresh seafood paella, and sweet churros con chocolate. Pair it with a glass of Spanish Rioja wine, and let the flavors of Madrid dance on your tongue. Gran Via, Madrid's Broadway. By night, Madrid comes alive along Gran Via, its most famous avenue. This street is the city's entertainment hub, lined with theaters, shopping boutiques, and rooftop bars with breathtaking views. For a taste of old Hollywood glamour, visit the Edificio Telefonica, one of Madrid's first skyscrapers, or catch a musical in a grand theater. Cerro del Tio Pio, the Hill of Seven Views. For our final stop, let's escape the busy streets and head to Cerro del Tio Pio, also known as the Hill of Seven Views. This peaceful park, located in the district of Vallecas, is one of the best hidden gems in Madrid. With its gently rolling hills, it offers some of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the city. From here, you can see Gran Via, Torres Kio, and even the majestic Royal Palace, all framed by the warm hues of the setting sun. Madrid isn't just a city you visit. It's a city you feel, a city that stays with you. And whether it's your first time here or your 10th, there's always something new waiting to be discovered. So, which of these places would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey.